Put away those Christmas decorations because Dollar Tree has it all set up for Valentine's Day. It's the beginning of the new year, so I am hitting up several dollar stores because I am going to find all of the best of Valentine's-y things that are new on the shelves right now, and I'm especially looking for this. This has been a hot item over on TikTok, and I have to find it, so I'm going to try several different stores. I think we're going to hit up about 6 or so to see if I can find it. Let's do a Dollar Tree shop with me. I ended up going to 6 different stores to look for the things that you need to find right now at Dollar Tree. The first category would have to be sensory play. Right now, Dollar Tree has these little packets of 8-count heart container sensory play. There was kinetic sand, there was Joe, there was an imitation play foam, and one with slime. They come in different colors. Now, these would be really great to give as Valentine's Day gifts, but they're also great for single use for sensory play. A really great find. And of course, they also have all the other party favors that you would normally see at Dollar Tree for this time of year, but those little heart buckets are absolutely the best. Also be on the lookout for these. I know a lot of people like to make sensory bins. These would be great for them. They are rose petals. You can get them in whole or in the leaves. They also have the vase filler as they do every year. These would be great for sensory bins if they didn't have so much glitter on them. Just keep that in mind. Next up, we have the Valentine's Day trinket. We see these every single year, but I did see this new one, which is an invisible ink pen. I'm actually going to get this, take it home, and give it a try at the end of this video. Look at the end of the video for that. They also have these new items, which are little activity books. I haven't seen these before. These came in a couple of different covers. I don't know if the contents inside are different, but they did have different covers, like a space one, a little chipmunk, and a unicorn in the back here. Always love a great take and go kind of item, and these would definitely work for that. Then we have more of the bigger party favors. So the things that you'd probably use if you actually threw a Valentine's Day party. These containers will sell out every single year. They come in heart and candy form, and you can fill them up with goodies. They have brought back the fortune cookies. They had those last year. And then don't forget about the table scatter. These are great for manipulatives, especially for 10 frames. I bought these about 10 years ago, and I still have them, and they are good as new. All of these containers are so cute. They have little lids on them with straws. My favorite has to be the donut one though. I think that one is the absolute cutest with the little sprinkles on top. They also have these heart ones that were pretty cute too. They come in 2 metallic colors. Don't pass up on the craft kits. So these are great, especially if you have several kids or a class to work with, because a lot of them come multiple to a package. These pom-pom kits though are singles, and they have basically a paper plate in them with pom-poms to glue on. Also, these mailbox kits are amazing. I can't recommend these enough. We've used them in years past. They also have felt stickers, things to decorate your Valentine's with, and they have these great little pom-pom craft kits too that make several to a package. This year it looks like we have a couple of different styles, including this foam craft kit with the dinosaurs, which is so cute, and they also had a little rocket ship one too that I would love to try. These are really fun to put together and a quick and easy craft because all the pieces are done and put together for you. Also back from previous years are the scratch heart stickers. These are so cool. You can put them on a piece of paper and scratch them off and reveal a message you've written underneath. They come in 2 different packages in lots of different colors this year, but they always sell out really fast. Dollar Tree is definitely stepping up their Valentine's Day card game because these kits look like what we've seen over at Walmart or in the Target dollar section. There are fewer in here. For $1.25 you get 8, but they had some really cute card sets with some trinkets included. So this is definitely a score. I imagine these are going to sell pretty darn fast. You can get them in larger quantities in different styles in Walmart and Target, but definitely look for them here if you only need a small quantity. I found several different ones and they were all really cute, and they had a matching saying on the card that went with the trinket that came in the box. Super cute and a lot more fun than just your basic Valentine's Day card. Also, they had a really cool selection of kits that were licensed characters. So here's a Disney kit. They also had some Marvel characters or some Avengers, and they come with the stickers and the Valentines inside of them. So it's kind of like a decorate your own Valentine. Here's one in Star Wars too. I found these at all the stores that I went to. And of course, if you need a Valentine's Day box, they have them already made and they're a really good size. So these are the ones I saw in about 2 different stores. They come in different sizes, kind of like a small and a large. card. And then they also have all of these couple gifts. So if you like the peanut butter and jelly stuffies, they also had like a coffee and donut. These are like your cute little best friend gifts or your couples gifts where you have 2 in 1. So you do get both of them for $1.25, and all the stores I went to had these. So look for them now because these are gonna go really, really fast. And in only 2 stores, I found these year of date night jars. So inside there's little pieces of paper with a date to do for 52 weeks out of the year. This is something you can probably DIY and really make it customizable for you, but they have it all done for you. It was really cute. These are also cute in the candy section. They have these gummy roses that come in a really nice acrylic box, which would make a really cute gift. I'm really bummed out of all these stores that I went to that I haven't found this guy. I really want to find him, but I did find this item, so I'm going to test it out and see how it does. All right, so I went ahead and brought home the Secret Valentine invisible light pen. It says it's for ages 3 and up, and there's 2 different ones in here, and they have some really cute Valentine's themes on the barrel of the pen. Little conversation hearts, little red and white hearts here. And it says that you write a secret message and then you shine the light and you should be able to reveal it. So let's check it out. There are instructions on the back too. This is a new Dollar Tree find, so I thought we'd test it out to see if it was actually going to work. Here's what they look like outside of the package. These are the lights. Here we go. They turn on with the little switch there. Although this one seems to be working a little bit brighter. This is telling me that the batteries are non-replaceable, so once you use it, you're done. And then the UV ink is invisible and the light is purple, so it's working with some purple light. Let's write a message and see if we can get this to work. I'm gonna try and draw a heart here, even though I can't really see it that well. Color it in a little bit. Take our UV light, switch it on. Haha, there it is. Definitely works. I guess you can keep your light on to help you see before you turn off the. Let's do another one over here. I'm writing my name out, and then I'd be able to turn off the light, send it to my recipient. They can use the light, the other one, and then they can read the message. It definitely works. Purple alphabet, thumbs up. You guys make sure to click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, show your love, and I'll see you in the next video.